So one of the cameras that I use, the DJI Pocket Osmo 3, it has this really cool function which you can twist either 90 degrees or 180 degrees. And so I decided to use that and take a new spin on nature. Check it out. The nice thing about the spinning, and especially moving in as you spin, is it makes you notice certain details in nature a little closer, and it seems more interesting than just looking at it as you walk by. Thanks as always, and hope to see you soon. Bye!